The bill gives certain rights to individuals to protect their personal data. The bill defines personal data as any piece of information from which inferences can be drawn to identify a person. Individuals can get confirmation from data entities on whether their personal data has been processed, seek correction of inaccurate, incomplete personal data, and have personal data transferred to any other data fiduciary under certain condition. Individuals can also prevent access to their personal data if it's no longer necessary for data entity to hold on to.
See, this bill has various provisions and it is not aimed at completely controlling the data transfer, but this bill does it by categorizing the data into sensitive personal data and critical personal data. And this bill envisages that the critical personal data is kept in this country so that the people whose data it is, they can exercise better control, whether they want to share the data for a long period, short period, whether they want to withdraw their consent. So otherwise the data flow is absolute. For the commercial purposes, the data can be flown across the borders as it is being done today. There is no complete bar on it, but there are certain legible restrictions on that. That is again being done, I believe, to ensure better privacy as the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court given in the Puttaswamy case, where the privacy has been declared as a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. So the control of flow to a certain extent is important. Otherwise, the local law enforcement agencies in India are finding it not possible to enforce the laws of the India and the Constitution of India.
Under the bill, personal data can only be processed for a specific, clear and lawful purpose. Further, the bill allows personal data collection only with the consent of the individual, with some exceptions. They include events such as a medical emergency or legal proceedings, or if required by the state to provide benefits to individuals. Further, the central government could exempt any of its agencies from the provisions of the bill in the interest of national security, public order and sovereignty.